Hello friends, in this video I will show you a quick preview of how the output looks for the Face Mesh add-on version 2 which I am currently developing for the side view. The front view output was already developed in the previous version and has been released. I have made notable changes on the side view as well. For now, I am using a lightweight AI model to detect the facial plots which result in a low accuracy. I am actively working on the modern advanced AI solutions to accurately capture the facial structure in a single click. You might notice that the side view looks rough. This isn't an expected output. I made some recent changes which affected it. I'll be reverting it and uploading the version 2 soon. If you are interested, you can purchase it now at a low pre-release price with a lifetime access. As the product becomes more stable, the price will be increased for the new buyers. In future, it may move to a subscription model like other face sculpting tools, while yearly buyers will retain the benefits of the lower one-time cost. So, make sure to consider this offer.